Hi there. In this video I'll show you how you can install WordPress on your cPanel within a short time. It's very easy and one-click process. So without further talking, let's get started. For installing WordPress on your cPanel, you need to have a domain and hosting. If you don't have, go and purchase one. After purchasing domain and hosting, the company will send you an email with a link. By clicking that link, you can access your cPanel. So this is my cPanel and I'm gonna log in there. It's successfully logged in. This is your cPanel. Let's get to our main point, WordPress installation. Don't worry, if your cPanel does not look like this, it may not be similar or may look like this one. Look doesn't matter. So let's install WordPress. First find out, go to software, you can see software section, software installation. If you go to this cPanel, you can see here software apps installation. Let's click this. You can install so many software or apps just by one click. So we're gonna install WordPress. Just click this WordPress and click install. Now choose the version of WordPress. This is the latest version, so we're gonna use this one. Now you can choose your protocol from here. Leave it as it is. Select the domain. This is the directory where you want to install WordPress. If you want to install in the main directory, then leave it blank. This is your site name. You can rename it as like you want. I'm gonna leave it as it is. Also, you can change your site description. This is admin username and password. You can change it as you want. It will be required when you're gonna log into WordPress dashboard. So let's change it. You should set a strong password. You can check or uncheck this option. They are recommending some plugins for you. We're gonna uncheck this one. So finally click on install. It will take some time to install. You can see within a short time it gives a message, congratulations, the software was installed successfully. You can access your site by clicking this URL. So guys, you can see this is my WordPress dashboard. Let's go to our site, visit my site. This is our WordPress site. So guys, today up to this. In my next video I'll show you theme installation process. Thank you for watching.